To apply for a Canadian visa without needing an agent, you can apply online through the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) portal. First, create an account on the IRCC portal, then complete the online application form and upload the required documents. Pay the fees online, and if required, submit your biometrics. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Determine the correct visa type. Identify the purpose of your visit to Canada, e.g. tourism, study, work, and choose the corresponding visa category. Visit the IRCC website to find the specific requirements for your chosen visa type. 2. Gather necessary documents. Download the relevant application forms from the IRCC website. Complete the forms accurately and thoroughly. Collect supporting documents as per the document checklist provided by IRCC, which may include passport and travel documents, proof of funds, proof of ties to your home country, other documents specific to your visa type, e.g. invitation letter, employment letter. 3. Apply online through the IRCC portal. If you are a first-time user, create an account on the IRCC portal using an invite code, if applicable. Sign into your account. Complete the online application form, answering all questions accurately. Upload all required documents. Pay the application fees online. 4. Submit biometrics. If required, some applicants need to provide biometrics, fingerprints and photo. If required, you will receive instructions on how to submit your biometrics after submitting your application. 5. Track your application. Use the reference number provided to track the progress of your application on the IRCC portal. Important notes: the Government of Canada treats all applicants equally, regardless of whether they use a representative or not. All the necessary information and forms are available for free on the IRCC website. If you decide to use a representative, be cautious about whom you choose and ensure they are authorized to represent you. You can also apply on paper if you encounter issues with the online application or if it's specifically required for your situation. Visit the link in the video description to start your application.